Hey viewers, it's Maybelline here, and today I'm going to do this kind of messy half cut crease with a red liner. I'm so glad on how this turned out. Like, I'm like, hey girl. But yeah, so I really liked how this turned out. Comment down below if you like how this turned out. If you haven't checked out my other makeup tutorials this week, go check them out. I'll have their link down below in the description for you guys to check them out. And yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to take this Tarteist Pro palette, and I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Innocent, and I'm just going to put that right in the crease. And today, this brush that I'm blending it out with is a brush that I haven't used in super long, but I was just like, you know what, I'm going to use it. This is the Emax Design Fluffy Brush. It doesn't have a name or anything, it's just has the brand, which is Emax Design. I'm pretty sure my mom got like a whole pack of brushes on Amazon, and this was the brand. So yeah, this was my first brush set, I believe, and I think it was, I'm pretty sure it was, and I used it like no other. And then I'm going to grab the smallest bit of this color in the same palette, which is called Bold. And I'm going to take a little bit of that color on this Cone blending brush. And I'm going to put it on the outer part of the eye and also blend it into the crease. And then I'm going to take the first brush that we were using and just really blend everything out. And also take a little bit of Innocent, just to help blend this edgy. I think I said Bold. I think I told you guys that I was going to take Bold, but I actually pointed out the color, and that color is not Bold. Bold is a really lighter warm tone and color, and edgy is the one that I'm taking, and it's like a true brown. But yeah, I didn't mean to say Bold. I meant to say edgy. I'm going to take my foundation to cut the crease, because why not? Let's just try something different. This is the Maybelline New York Matte and Poreless foundation in Porcelain, and yeah, I'm just going to take this. I really want to try their other foundation. I think it's called Superstay foundation. And comment down below if you want a review on that, because I really want to try it. And whenever we go to Target, I'm going to get it, because yeah. But I'm just going to take my concealer brush, my concealer brush that I conceal my brows with, and just cut my creases and stuff like that. But this is the Morphe brush. It's just a flat brush. I don't know what the brush set is called. But yeah, I'm just going to take this brush and I'm going to obviously cut the crease, and I'm just going to blend it, this foundation, well, the concealer I'm going to say, and just kind of blend it just so it kind of matches everything and it doesn't look too white. And then I'm going to take the white in this palette, which is called Vintage, and I'm going to grab a flat brush, and I'm going to apply just a little bit on here to the lid, just to brighten it up, just a small little bit, you know. Alright, so I'm going to grab this. I don't know what this is, to be honest. The name rubbed off, like everything is rubbed off. But I kind of swatched a couple of stuff, and this one's kind of calling my name a little bit. I just feel like it's a little bit too red, and I'm kind of scared. Let me apply one more layer on there just to see. I mean, it's pretty dark, I would say. So scared. I'm afraid on how this is going to turn out, because I've done it before, but I don't think it was really good, and I don't think I liked it. But we're going to try it. And I'm going to take a thin brush. Just do my wing, I guess. I don't know. Okay, just like that. That turned out really well. I'm surprised that looks pretty good. But I'm going to take my makeup wipe and kind of sharpen it a little bit, kind of clean it. Now I'm just going to let that dry, because I do not want that to crease, because that will be a mess. So I'm just going to let that dry, and make sure if you're going to do a wing liner with a lipstick or liquid lipstick, whatever, make sure it's matte. I wouldn't even do it with a lipstick. I'd make sure it was a liquid lipstick that is matte and not glossy, and this dries down, and this will not go anywhere. I think this is from Junkie. I could be totally wrong, but the color is called Rebel. That's one thing. Now I'm done with that. This mascara, by the way, is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara in Very Black. It's very, very good. It's like $3 or $4 at like your local drugstore. So I really recommend getting that because it's really good. But I mean, it looks pretty good without lashes so far, but you know me, I'm gonna put on some lashes. Your girl needs some lashes. But I feel like it could, like, someone could get away with it without wearing lashes. I feel like I could get away with it. It just really, I don't know, I feel like it looks pretty simple, easy, and I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm gonna go in with these lashes. These are the Ardell Faux Mink lashes in 811, and yeah, so I'm gonna go in with these. I'm gonna do this eye, put those on, and do my full face off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, so now what I'm going to be doing is my bottom lash line. I think the eyes look pretty good. At first I was like, this kind of looks messy. I don't know about you, but this kind of looked messy. But now that I got my full face on and everything, I think it looks pretty good. But now I'm going to go in with the first color that I'm going to be taking from the Tarte Tarteist Pro Palette is Innocent, which is the first color that we took, and go all the way in with it. But I'm going to take a little bit of Edgy, which is the second color that we took. Oh, and this brush, by the way, is the IBI Beauty Crease brush, and I just use it all the time for the lower lash line. And I'm just going to do it on the outer part of the eye, but I'm going to bring some of the product to the inner part, just keep most of it on the outer part. Alright, so I'm going to use this Smoke and Mirrors liner in the black, and I'm just going to put this in the waterline. So now I'm going to put powder, translucent powder under my eyes for my mascara for the bottom lash line, because what I do, if you're a new subscriber, or this is like a first video that you're watching and you're not going to subscribe, I suggest you subscribe. But anyway, I put powder under my eyes before putting bottom mascara on, because I feel like if I don't do that, then I get little dots from the mascara under my eyes, either flakes or just like, it looks like you put like a permanent marker on your skin and it's just bleeding everywhere. That's what it kind of looks like sometimes for me. Yeah, that putting powder under your eyes first and then putting mascara will help. So all that stuff gets on the powder, and when you wipe it away after a couple of seconds, whenever your mascara dries, that does not happen during the day. So I'm just going to put my Airspun Loose Face powder under here, and then use this mascara, which is the Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara in Very Black. I'm going to go in with this lippy right here just because it has like a red undertone and it's also like a brown and a nude. This is the Kokie, I think it's Kokie, Kissable liquid lipstick, and it's a matte one, and it is in Mad About Mauve. I'm just gonna put this on my inner corner. I think I'm just going to do white, just a matte white inner corner highlight, just because I feel like I want the focus to be the eyes. I don't want to take away from that with a very shimmering pigmented color. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Tarteist Pro Palette, the white color, which is called Vintage, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner. That's the end of this makeup look. I hope you guys like this look. I think it's very different than what I usually do, to be honest, because I don't mess with liquid lipsticks for a liner. I don't think I've ever done this. Maybe I have once, but I don't remember It probably didn't look good, to be honest. But I don't remember doing it. But if I did, it probably looked horrible. But I think I did a pretty good job at it, to be honest. It looks pretty good. The liner, I'm pretty proud, to be honest, and the lashes don't look weird, and like you could see space between the lashes, like my real lashes and the falsies. But I really like how it turns out. It's very different. It's very different. I mean, the half cut crease is not really different, but it's kind of not like a half cut crease. It's very like a messy, I would say, half cut crease. So you don't really have to be really precise and very careful or anything. You just go really messy with it. Like, it's okay, honey. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next video.